Woo. Oh snap. This is not safe. It's not safe at all. We got some content coming, man. We got some content. This headliner for my car. So everybody down in the comment section, comment down what y'all think is coming. And I'm pretty sure it's obvious, but you know, let's interact with one another. Pretty simple. We're just gonna take this off. We have a couple cracks here. We're just gonna go with either some Bondo or something just to fill the crack. Then we're gonna get all this excess foam glue off or whatever it is. Then yeah, reapply some new fabric and some new glue. Alright, so as you guys can see, we went ahead and got the headliner off. Next, we're going to scrap all of that excess foam off. Alright, so I just have some sandpaper. This is 80 grit. I don't think it really matters the number, like the grit level, but you really just want to get all this excess foam off and get down to the cardboard / wood / hard plastic. All right, so as you guys should think, this is probably really time consuming. I am going to stop recording now, but as you guys can see, I just took this 80 grit, scraping up some doodle balls, and yeah, after that, we're going to inspect the headliner, check for all the cracks, and then come back after that. All right, guys, so got a little mess to clean up. Don't mind my dog's cage. I'm gonna use this little What is up, you guys? I'm editing this and wanted to let you guys know that I did not repair the cracks just because I'm gonna get my headliner professionally done sometime here. I'm not sure. I'm just hoping this job that I'll do lasts pretty long. I've never done it before, so I wanted to do it my own way. So yeah.
Boy, if you don't get Marrow for sure.
Move 1, 2, and 3. All right, got that one.